they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hello mga ka-Miss D! Welcome back to my channel! This is Miss Diana G once again, and I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta kay Miss D. And for today's video, we will discuss about the Redmi phone. Yes, actually I don't understand what is written, but this is Redmi phone, okay? And if so happen your phone shut down, doesn't want to open, I will teach you how to resolve the issue, because on my experience, last month I guess, this phone shut down and I can't open, you know, and I was panic. Talagang nagpanic po ako. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? And screen, there's someone here. Are you going to watch me? Yeah, this is Baby Sungit. Diba? And yes,
Ako si Baby Sungit.
si Baby Sungit. Okay, back to our topic.
Ako si Rian.
Ikaw si Rian. Grabe, I was panic talaga because I'm using this extra phone mostly when I go outside to meet up someone because I am online seller, diba? It's so hassle if you don't have extra phone tapos na-drain yung phone mo, lalo na kapag nag-travel ka, diba? So, what I did is, I keep thinking and thinking. Gusto ko na mag-give up. Sabi ko, oh my God, what I'm gonna do? So, what I did is, okay, this is it. What to do when your phone shut down, okay? You see this button? Wait, you see? Oh my God, it's not that clear. Okay, this phone, okay, titig na lang ako ng photo later, tapos dadaling ko na lang dito, okay? Sali ko na lang siya mamaya pag-edit ko. Okay, these two button, just press this button, okay? Magsabay siya if I press, ito itong button na to. Yes, just press this button, just press this button, okay? At the same time, for 10 to 15 or 20 seconds until mag-open siya. Ganon kasi, una 5 seconds, naku, grabe, akala ko hindi talaga siya mag-open. Tapos, tinry ko siya ng 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. I guess, 30 seconds, nag-on siya. So, diba, nag-open siya. And I said, oh my God, I feel relieved talaga. And that's one of the motto here, or one of the things that I want to share with you guys is when something happens or something bad happens, you know, that it came in our life that we didn't expect. Ganyan naman talaga, diba? We're gonna be expect na magiging worse yung scenario, diba? We're gonna be expect na magiging worse yung outcome ng mga pinaplano natin. If there is something happen that you didn't expect, don't easily give up. Don't be disappointed very easily. Don't be get mad. Just because if you're mad, you can think what to do, okay? If there's some problem that you cannot solve, mostly in take-it-takey, okay? I advise you guys to watch video on YouTube, on Facebook. There's a lot of things that you're gonna learn. Excuse me, I'm still coughing. Okay, but I'm COVID-free na. Okay? Yun nga, if there's something happen, don't easily give up, guys. Mga ka-Miss D. And just watch something. I know this is the first time that I made a content like this, like take-it-takey. But not because only take-it-takey. I want to share with you guys that don't easily give up. Just look something or search something. Just talk to someone. Just read someone who can help you how to solve your issue, how to solve the problem, okay? Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give me thumbs up, and pakihit na rin po yung notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking vlog sa mga bago dyan, at sa mga luma akong followers, subscriber. Maraming salamat po. God bless!